I don't think people understand how frustrating it is when your Chevy Silverado 4WD system lets you down. First off, let's check the basics. Make sure your truck is in park or neutral before engaging 4WD. You'd be surprised how often that's the issue. Next, listen for that iconic click sound when you switch to 4WD. If you don't hear it, there might be an electrical problem. Check the fuse box for a blown fuse. Still no luck? Time to look at the transfer case. This part can wear out over time. Look for any leaks or strange noises coming from underneath. If you spot any, it's time to visit your mechanic. Another common problem could be with the actuator. This little device engages the front wheels when you switch to 4WD. If it's faulty, your 4WD won't engage. Lastly, make sure your tire sizes match. Mismatched tires can confuse the system and prevent it from working properly. Always keep them even. There you have it. A few quick checks to get your Chevy Silverado's 4WD back on track. Remember, regular maintenance can save you from these headaches. Happy driving and don't get stuck in the mud.